Hey baddies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Paula Christine. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the gang. All right, so let's get started. As you can see the title of this video is about how I manifested my apartment. And I am so happy, you guys. I'm so grateful. It's been a couple of days. I had took my vacation on my job. So it's been a couple of days, but I've just been vacationing in my new spot. Like, what's the perfect destination than to be in your own place on your vacation, right? So I am actually, sorry guys, I'm doing this video with my new phone that I also manifested. There's so much I gotta tell you guys. I know you guys haven't seen me in a while, but I've been trying to get settled. There's so much I want to tell you, so let's just jump right into it. How I manifested my apartment. Let's go. Can I come over? Can I come over? Oh, can I come over? There's my front door, there's my bedroom, there's my kitchen. So as you know, you guys, you have to be patient. I'm holding my camera. I manifested my dream. I wouldn't even say it's my dream apartment, but it's definitely my apartment. But I love it and it's mine and I'm grateful, you guys. I don't want to give you guys like the full tour yet just because I'm changing a lot of stuff in this apartment. So I have to make it my own. Like, my kitchen's gonna be completely redone. My bedroom's gonna get redone. So this is not me showing you my apartment. This is more so how I got my apartment, how I manifested my apartment. But let's just get into it. I am holding you guys up because my arms is killing me and I don't got the time. All right, so let's talk about it. How did you manifest this apartment? Well, as you guys know, my 2020 goal before COVID came and tried to ruin everything. Anyway, my 2020 goal this year was to read 12 books, right? And as you guys know, I've been doing book reviews. So I've done The Alchemist and done several books. So if you're interested in reading, seeing about my book reviews, go ahead and go back to my channel just to see what I've been reading. But this month, well, yeah, this month or the month of August, we're in September now. The month of August, my book was Ask and It Is Given. Learning to Manifest Your Desires by Esther and Jerry Hicks. So if you're familiar with Esther and Jerry Hicks and the teachings of Abraham, that's what I was reading. This is my first time reading it. I was interested in reading it because Big Sean is like one of my favorite rappers, and he said that this was his favorite book, and this is the book that he used to manifest his career. So I was just like, okay, I want to see what it's about. I want to see what it is. And pretty much inside of this book, I don't want to go too deep in it because this is not a book review. But there are something called processes, which are considered games, and they're pretty much different games how to manifest things. So it's different ways. The games are different ways to manifest things, right? So as you guys know, on my channel, I already do scripting. I have my journal. I always have a new journal, you guys. Like, that's just what I do. So I was scripting, and that was working for me for some things, but I didn't know what was taking so long. And in the book, it really breaks down the art of allowing things to happen in your life. Like, you can be trying to manifest something, but you can also not be allowing it to enter your life. So I feel like that's what helped me a lot, because then I realized, maybe I'm not allowing it to come. So that was a big takeaway for me in this book. My arms are killing me. You gotta give me a second, bro. You guys, I'm a little chubby. My arms are hurting. Anyway, so the art of allowing was really big, and there was a game in the book. Fast forward now. There was a game in the book, or process in the book, and it pretty much was like, you take a piece of paper, and on the piece of paper, on one side you write what I'm going to do today, and on the other side of the paper you write what the universe is going to do today. So the whole concept is to allow the universe to do its job, okay? Like, all we have to do is just ask for it, and you allow the universe to do it. So picture yourself at a restaurant, right? You ordered a double cheeseburger with jalapenos, lettuce, extra pickles, ketchup, mayo, mustard. That's just my order, okay? But you order this burger and you tell the waiter, you ordered your burger. The waiter would be the law of attraction, right? So you order this burger. What you have to do, you wait, right? You have to wait for your ordered to be placed and made and then brought to you. And a lot of people, when they're manifesting, they just want things to happen right now, not realizing that what they ordered has to take time to cook, it has to be plated, and it has to be brought back to you. You just have to sit there and allow your plate to come. That's it. And that is the art of allowing, and that's literally what I did. So I told the universe what I wanted. And I told the universe what I wanted, and I didn't make it hard. Like, I didn't make the task difficult or hard. So on one side of the paper, and I literally have the paper here. This is the actual paper that I used. As you can see, it's a little dingy, it's a little old, it's a little torn up. And what's crazy is when I manifested everything, I didn't even realize that I did it with this paper. I didn't even realize it until I found the paper after I got my apartment. I was like, yo, everything that I asked for on here happened within 2 weeks for me. So yeah, I waited 2 weeks. Some people may wait longer. Sometimes it might take a year, it may take a month, or it just may take a couple hours for you to get what you want. You're gonna get what you want though, that's the whole point. So on this actual paper, I put search for a new apartment, and I put search for a new apartment, and then on another piece of paper, because I have more than one, I have actually two. You guys, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. I'm telling you the truth. You guys are getting it full on. So I'm going to read exactly what I put. So I put, activate my card, enter my direct deposit information, search for a new apartment that I love. On the other side, I put, I'm going to receive multiple small deposits. It's going to give me a new iPhone 11 Pro. And the universe is going to give me the money that I need for my apartment. I'm gonna move in October 1st, and it's gonna give me an apartment that I love and that's easy and hassle-free. And I'm sitting here and I'm getting chills because I'm saying that and I'm in my fucking apartment, and that's bomb to me, you guys. That's bomb to me. Because this literally took me 2 weeks. I started to get multiple deposits into my account that equaled up to a very large amount that I was able to get my apartment with. I moved in before October 1st because I actually moved in on September 13th. And I got my apartment. It was easy. I literally came, I seen it. I saw another apartment and I said, okay, I want this one. And I got it, and I put some months down, and I did that shit, boss shit, as you know. And you guys, I'm here in my shit. And I'm telling you guys in my shit. And I did this in August, and it is September, you guys. And look. And what's crazy is I told a couple of people this. I said that whole month, I was like, I'm going to manifest $10,000. I'm going to manifest $10,000. I'm going to manifest $10,000. And do you guys know that I ended up getting $10,000? That's another gem. Do you guys realize I put on there that I'm going to get my new iPhone 11 Pro? I am recording on my new iPhone 11 Pro. You guys, I did it. I manifested my apartment. Read this book. Read this book. Allow things to flow into your life. Allow things, this is a gem. This is a gem of the whole video. Read this book. Allow things to flow into your life. Don't stop your blessings. Wait for it to come. Believe it's going to come, and it will come. This book has, like I said, 22 different games inside to how to manifest what you want in your life. So maybe this might not be the game for you. It's okay. This might not be the one that works for you, but there's 21 other games in there that might work for you. And you might be able to do multiple games that work for you. So don't knock the book. Don't knock the law of attraction. Don't knock allowing things to come into your life. You can have whatever it is that you want in your life. 2020 has been a difficult year for a lot of people, but then for a lot of people, it has been a very decent year because of how we think about things. So, God, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for viewing. I'm so ready to give you guys so much more on my channel. I'm stuttering. I'm about to give you guys, an apartment tour. I'm gonna go give you guys a remake of my kitchen. I'm gonna do my bathroom and my my whole bedroom. I don't know if I'm gonna break those videos up, but I'm definitely redoing my apartment for you guys so you guys can see. But if you've been manifesting anything and you want to tell me what you've manifested, what's been working for you, or if you simply read the book, let me know. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm super grateful, super happy, super blessed, and I love you guys, and I pray you manifest everything that you want. See you later. Love you. Bye.